Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you the ways to disable MFA in Salesforce. So in order to disable MFA in Salesforce, you have to follow the steps. So I'm going to provide you the article on how you could actually do it. So now here you could see if you need to disable a Salesforce multi-factor authentication for an array of list of user within a specific profile or permission set. It's a two-step process. First thing, it require you to deactivate multi-factor authentication for API logins and multi-factor authentication for user interface login with a chosen profile or permission set. Now, second of all, adjust the session security level required at login to none within the same profile or permission set. Now, to do it, so what you have to do is in the profile or permission set, disable multi-factor authentication for API logins and multi-factor authentication for user interface as well. Next thing you want to do is in the profile or permissions session security level require a login at to none. So this way you'll have successfully disabled MFA in Salesforce. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.